it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've been asked today to, I've been asked on one of my videos for the Craft Stash Challenge to show the layouts that I've done using the Craft Stash for the month of March. So I've just pulled them all together. There will be some process videos for some of these, but not all. But I'll note out the things I've used. So I used it for week 6 of my project life. I've used some of the pink paisley stickers here. I've used hashtag and an ampersand from Heidi Swap here. Another one of those pink paisley stickers here. The rest of it I've been using a kit, and you'll be able to see a process video for that one, but I did manage to get a couple of little pieces in. If I remember rightly, for week 7 I forgot that I was using the stash, but I did get quite a lot on week 8. So these are not necessarily in order of the way that I made them, but for week 8 I actually didn't use a kit. I used all my stash challenge items, and then I also just added in a few die cuts and things that were around on my desk. So I've got some of the word stickers and the puffy stickers in here. Again, lots of the word stickers and the puffy stickers, and I also got another one of those Heidi Swap words on there as well. So that was my week 8. Now, I did use quite a few bits when I went to a friend's house to scrap for the day, and I went to do as much as I could of my 2016 project life, because even though I've got all the pictures and the journaling all done, I want this now in the album done and dusted. So for the first layout, again, I've got these pink paisley stickers in a few places. I also used the Heidi Swap, one of the words, and it's kept quite simple. There's not much else on here apart from those. A couple of Studio Calico stickers and another piece of chipboard that was floating around. But I like the effect that those have on the layout. So that was week 37. My week 38, I got a couple of the gold embellishments from the crepe paper puffy. I also got another gold one down here, and managed to sneak in a couple more of those pink paisley words as well. So that was that week. For week 39, this is where I managed to use up some of the sheets. One of the puffy sticker sheets that I had, I managed to use a couple of those. Also got a couple more of those word stickers in as well. So that's those items. Week 39, I think on this one you're just talking these little word strips. So I managed to get quite a few of those in with the rest of the embellishments that I was using. For this set, I think I just used some die cuts that I had and a couple of Me and My Big Ideas sticker sheets. But those word stickers came in really well. For week 41, again only a few bits, and these were the Fancy Pants little word stickers. I managed to get 3 of those in, and then I used the Ain't Life Grand collection. Week 42, I think I forgot. Oh no, I didn't. I tell a porky. I've got a little one of those pink paisley black stickers with a little gold heart. Just one little one, but hey, the idea is you use at least one thing, so I'll take that. This is the spread that I forgot. So I did forget on this page to use something from my Craft Stash Challenge. So I gave myself a knock on the head and I got myself back on track, and again I've used some of the pink paisley here, but then I've teamed it up with pink. So I've used one of the Fancy Pants pink stickers here and one up here. So again, only a few little bits, but sometimes that's all it needs. For week 45, I got quite a few of these little crepe paper gold pieces in. So I've got a section of 3 there, and I've got 3 little arrow pieces down the bottom. And then that's where I've got up to. So that's what I did Project Lifewise using up my stash. Now this layout I did show in my April Craft Stash Challenge as a good way of using stuff up. But to go through, I've got a little hashtag from the Heidi Swap tucked in there. I've then got a little ice lolly from the Leatherette stickers, and I've got some of these little gold dots in there as well. That's also from Heidi Swap, that little star. And then if I go round, I've got the little acorn from the Puffy sticker sheet. I've got a number 2 from the Heidi Swap. I've got the little arrow from the Puffy sticker sheet popped in there. I think that pink circle dot, that's also from Heidi Swap, as is that Adorbs from that sticker sheet. Little ice lolly from the Citrus Twist Leatherette sheet, and a couple of the little Fancy Pants word stickers I managed to sneak in there as well. So I've pretty much got something into each little section, but that did quite well at using up some of the more random pieces. And then lastly, this is also a layout I created while I was at my friend's using my Like Forever kit that I've yet to use up. But on this one I've used the little squares, half gold, half cream. I've used those all over, and then I have used 2 of the little Fancy Pants. So You Are Lovely to make up my title, and then I've got a little yellow one with the date. I'm not sure if this layout's finished yet, but that's where I got up to. And then when I next go scrapping, I'll decide if it's done or not. So that's how I managed to use up all my bits from my Craft the Stash challenge in my layouts. Various little bits. All the layouts still look different, even though they have got the same sort of stuff in them. So, you know, considering I've used these little stickers in quite a few different places, you'll find that the likes of that layout, and which one am I thinking of? I am thinking of a layout while I'm waffling. That's that layout. So those 2 layouts, completely different. However, we still managed to get these little stickers into both. But yeah, I'd love to see if anybody else, or let me know if anybody else is joining in a Craft Stash challenge, and see how much of your stuff you can get used up that otherwise you'd forget is there. So thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.